Right, this is the Ubuntu screen, the operating system sort of home page that should come up after you've switched on the power. However, just occasionally things go a bit wrong, and when they do, the normal remedy is to use this application called FSCK from the terminal window, the window that will have come up showing you that the thing isn't operating properly, and that usually cleans up all the disks and things that are causing the problems. Anyway, it should boot up with everything in place and looking a lot like this. So this is the screen from the machine under the desk, which is marked Ubu 20. That's the source of this. Although rather confusingly, I'm looking at this on a screen share program, so it looks slightly odd and it reacts rather slowly. So to get the phone box going, first thing is to start this thing called Jack. It's a single click, Q Jack CTL. Single click should start it. There we go. And you still then have to press this start button to start the audio server. And if all is well, it will go green with these zeros in place. Once you've done that, you need to go to terminal, click on terminal, and choose with the up button. You could go to the configuration instructions for Dark Ice. So click on it twice and you get to this file, K6 Primo Dark Ice Ubu 20, or you could type that in from scratch into the terminal, and you just hit return, and that will start the Dark Ice stream. And all that is for is to pick up on music on hold when someone calls into the phone box, dials an extension, and gets to the end of the pre-recorded stuff. This ensures that there's some sound at the end that keeps playing on a loop. So that's that. Then you start Pure Data, PD. You go to File, and then choose the top one, which will be the interface that I was most recently finished. So click on that. And this is sort of how the audio is processed and how it responds to certain commands coming either from the telecom program or from MIDI. And you can sort of set it working by clicking on Open Audio Background Wave, and this one, Audio K6 Podcast Ident Mixdown Wave. But you won't hear anything until you turn the volumes up. You can either do that manually from the little sort of control with the faders, which is just beneath the Ubuntu, or above the Ubuntu server, and you can turn these volumes on by clicking little messages. You see they're going to the different levels. Now you can hear it. So that would make it operational. From the software point of view, it's now in a sort of ready state, ready for someone to go in the phone box and start interacting with it.